what day is it?
Axel's birthday!
Oh yeah, let's party.
Axel's birthday!
What are we gonna do? Owen, what are we gonna do today?
Pop a
A giant balloon?
of confetti!
Of confetti? Lily, what else are we gonna do?
That's like the house.
Yeah.
Axel's birthday party.
Gussie, what should we make?
Monster pumpkin!
Monster cupcakes. You guys ready? Should we fill up your birthday balloon, Aki?
Yeah!
Whoa! You got a giant birthday balloon? What do you have, Lils? Confetti? Okay, follow Daddy. Let's go fill it up. Oh, Lily, that's a big balloon.
First we have to put the confetti in.
Yep. First, we gotta put the confetti in.
Daddy, good job!
Ready? There you go. It's in there. All right, Daddy's gonna blow it up. Uh-oh! It blew up early! Alright, throw your confetti, I guess!
Throw it in the air, Owen.
Throw it up! Throw it, throw it, throw it! Whoa! Actually, it's in your hair. Ready, Owen? Whoa! Decoration time?
Yeah.
What are we gonna decorate with?
I don't remember.
Balloon arches?
Oh yeah.
Aki, what are you doing?
Guys, it's time for decorating.
Decorating! Whoa, good job, Bus. New dance party. Good job, Lily.
Mommy's blowing up balloons.
What color do you have?
Blue,
Blue. Oh, what colors are in there?
blue, dark blue, white, and white ones with confetti in them, and white ones with blue confetti on them.
Gussie,
I'm gonna roll it.
what color is that?
Green.
Here's the balloon arch part. You're gonna blow them up and then you stick them in these little holes.
Now I did confetti gloves.
Gross!
What happened?
Daddy drooled on the balloon.
Little big baby. Little big baby.
Whoa! Hey, Lily. Oh! Whoa! What happened to your hand?
Someone cursed me.
They cursed you.
Ah, kitty foo got it. Whoa.
Oh, it's starting. Yeah. Oh! It's coming.
I'm strong now.
It looks like you're lifting up a giant caterpillar.
I'm strong now.
Whoa, Owen! You look like you're
Wasn't that like
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
We're here. Oh! We got the balloon arch up. Now we gotta put on the streamers.
Woo!
Whoa! How did I do that? Can make monster cupcakes.
What do you need?
You need cake, ice sprinkles, and frosting. Wait, guys, you wanna come here and make monster cupcakes with us?
Are we all ready to make our cake?
Yeah. Oh no, we forgot to wash our hands. Yeah, I forgot too.
Go wash those hands.
First, we need to add the oil. Do we need to add all the water?
Yeah, add all the water in. Good job. Now, Owen, can you crack the eggs?
Sure.
Look at the oil and water separating in there.
Can I crack an egg too?
It's okay if you get some shells in. We'll take them out. Good job.
Where should I put the egg?
In the trash can. One more.
Where do I wipe
Good
it
job.
on? I got shellin'. Where do I wipe it on?
Okay, should we go wash our hands off again and throw those eggshells in the trash?
Yeah.
What do we do next?
Next we add in the cake mix. All of it. Now stir.
Axel, are you eating it all? No.
It's right here. Cupcake!
It sure looks like you're eating it all.
It's time to scoop it all up into the muffin tin.
Cool.
Can I
Put it all in the muffin tins.
Can I help now, Owen? Here you go, Lily. Your turn. Apple cream. The mess is on my hands. I can't. Now then, it's time to put them in the oven. This time, let a grown-up put them in the oven.
Let a grown-up put them in the oven. That's right.
Always.
Always let a grown-up put them in the oven.
I want them to bonus.
Alright guys, the cupcakes are done. It's time to make the frosting.
Yay! I'm gonna get this big one.
Ooh, good plan. Are you guys ready to turn this white frosting into blue and green frosting?
Yeah! I'll make it.
Okay. What color food coloring do you have, Gus?
Green.
Green.
Blue.
What color do you have?
Orange.
Orange. Let's turn. One. That was a big one.
Because
Two.
I want mine to be really
Three.
dark.
Good job. Okay, ready?
One.
Ooh. That's a big one. I think you're good. One more.
gigantic.
Good job.
Good. Mine's gonna look good too. Mine is too. Since I put 2 drops in, I think mine's gonna look good too. Agitate.
Yeah, stir, stir, stir.
Agitate. Delicioso.
All right, we got it all. We got it all mixed up. So now we got to put it in our piping bags. Okay, we've got it into our piping bag. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna squeeze it like this, and then pick it up, and it looks like monster hair. You guys, those look beautiful. But what are we missing?
The eyeballs. The eye.
The eye.
I'm gonna get my cupcake. I need 6.
Big eyeballs.
I'm taking my cupcake. I need 6, Mommy. Okay, I'm gonna
Ooh, creepy.
I'll put it in
Oh, Lily, look at that one. Ooh, oh, and creepy monster. They're starting to look like monsters.
Can I eat this one, Mom?
Yeah, you can eat one.
I want to eat one.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Ooh, creepy.
No, that was not done.
It's not done?
I'm just put one. Look at mine. Put one more.
Ooh, good one.
You can eat them after that's done. So put these on. Oh yeah, you can have them. Gus, you gonna decorate this green one that you made? Yes. I'm gonna make this one like a lot of eyeballs.
Okay.
Mom, which one?
Ooh, they look so creepy.
How did I make that orange one? This I
Whoa, Owen. He's awesome. Oh, Lily made a bear cupcake. Cute.
Mine kind of looks like a frog. Look.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a frog. All right, they're all done. You think it's time for the birthday party?
Yeah.
Wait, we're forgetting our candles. Let's get some candles on them.
Okay.
All right, guys. Do you want to put candles on all of them or just on Axel's?
All of them.
All of them? You guys want to? You all want to blow them out?
Yes.
Okay. All right, take some candles. Put them on there. You can put as many as you want.
I'll put this purple on here. Here. These. Mine looks like he has horns. Here you go, Lily. No. This is gonna go in here. This is gonna go in. Can I please have one pink one, Gus?
Ooh, they kind of look like monster tongues.
Gus, can I have a pink one?
Oh, and look, they kind of look like monster tongues.
Ooh, yeah.
Axel.
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 You want a birthday party?
Birthday? Axel, it's your birthday. Happy Axel.
Axel, what are those?
Cupcakes.
Yay! Do you want to go blow out your
Happy
candles?
birthday to you. It's for you, Aki. To you. Happy birthday to Aki. Happy birthday to you.
All right, we're going to light the candles, but make sure that an adult uses the lighter.
Yeah, but never play with fire.
No, fire's dangerous, huh? All right.
Okay, good.
Happy birthday, dear Packy. Happy birthday to you.
There you go.
Good job. All right, Gussie's turn. Gussie's turn. Nice.
I want this one. Wait, no, I want this one. You want this one? Here you go.